There's no instructions with this, no?
No, it's just climb in balloon.
I've got my leg in and it just seems painful. I'm gonna have to fill it full of water now.
Oh, how am I gonna fit in this? Pull it over yourself. Looks like you're stood in a flower pot. You're like a weird genius. Hello there. Welcome to this episode of the Slow Mo Guys. I'm currently stood next to one of the funniest things I've ever seen. Dan, he's in the balloon. It's a 6-foot balloon.
Ow!
We put him in it.
Oh
And
man.
now we're gonna fill it until it pops. So Dan, what you got to try and do is get further in it. I wonder if you could drown in there.
Easily. Ow! Oh, I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. Oh, God damn. It's nice and refreshing.
What a damn Jabba the Hutt.
It's quite nice. Jabba the Hutt. La 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 la. Oh, I've got an itch on the top of my head. Can't do anything about it. Hang on.
You're like a slug.
With knees. Oh, got an itch on my head. I can't get it. Can you get it, please?
You got an itch?
Yeah.
Whereabouts?
On like both sides of my head, like the temple area. Not a stick. No. Up a bit. Up. Oh, I've got loads of room in here now.
Have you?
Yeah, I can spread my leg. Oh,
What was that?
no. I can spread my legs up. And everything. Ah.
Try and put your head under.
No. Hang on. It's nice in there.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's like a human-sized womb.
Oh, got my boxes on in there. I'm just gonna take the hose.
Pete, you should take off your boxes so when you come out it looks like...
Oh! Oh!
It looks like...
Oh! Good lord!
Oh my god!
Oh man!
You flooded the creek!
Oh god! It's just stupid, it's already funny.
Alright, I'm gonna play it.